Hi, my name is Con Cruz, also known as Modern Nanay, businesswoman and a proud mom of 5 kids. To be strong, isipin nila lagi na walang bagay na hindi kakayanin. Surround yourself with positive people na mag-encourage sa inyo para ma-achieve yung inyong mga goals. As a modern mom, what makes me smile are my children. Every time na nakikita ko sila yung talagang nagpapasaya ng aking kalooban. A smile symbolizes friendliness, happiness, and positivity. Confident smile, it boosts self-esteem, self-confidence, and positive impact. Ako po si Con Cruz, also known as Modern Nanay. Binabati ang lahat ng kababaihan ng International Women's Month. Iniimbitahan ko, lalo na mga kababaihan ngayon, na bumisita sa Urban Smiles. Ako po si Con Cruz, also known as Modern Nanay, reminding you to let your smile empower you.